Hello and welcome to my crochet tutorial. Today I'll show you how to seamlessly start a new skein of yarn when the old one runs out. It's easier than you think, and I have a great trick for you. First, you need your current crochet project and the new skein you want to add. I've prepared an example for you here. I start by making a simple knot to tie the new yarn on the old yarn. Make sure the knot is tight but not too bulky. Now I crochet the beginning and the end of the new yarn into the project. This keeps everything secure and neat. Watch closely how I do this. And now we continue crocheting if nothing happened. See how seamless the transition is? I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or want to share your own projects, leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Here you can see the final result again. Have fun crocheting and see you soon.